Hello high heels lovers and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are doing good. I'm alright as well. And yeah, I honestly googled my symptoms. I know that this weather is making me also depressed, but this whole month, so I was really not in the best mood. I was feeling blue, as you can see. Yeah, it's matching my outfit as well. So I googled my symptoms and it turns out that I was supposed to buy a new pair of shoes. So I hope that that helped actually, or maybe it was something else. I will never know. But as you can see here, I have a new box with a new pair of shoes, which I'm going to present to you today. So today it's going to be about those shoes, which are in a similar color to what I'm wearing currently. So I think that's enough to see. So it's going to be something in this color, and it is a part of Jimmy Choo. So guys, stay tuned to find out how my new pair of shoes look like and how I'm going to style these shoes in today's episode. So I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited to first unbox the shoes as I usually do, and then to style them. I think it's going to be really in blue. I was so surprised to find out how many pieces of clothes in blue I actually have. And I can't really say that blue is my favorite color. Yeah, not at all. But for some reason I have I have a lot things in blue. So today I'm going to show off all of them along with my new pair of shoes. So guys, I'm skipping the rest of the details. Let's get started with the unboxing, and then the first look is coming right away.
Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share my thoughts on the stunning Jimmy Choo Saeda 100 crystal strap mirrored leather pumps in a beautiful blue hue. These heels are a perfect blend of elegance and modern style, making them an ideal choice for any fashion-forward individual. The first thing that caught my eye was the striking mirrored leather finish. It adds a unique shine that instantly elevates any outfit. The blue color is vibrant yet sophisticated, making these pumps a great statement piece. The crystal strap detailing provides an extra touch of glamour, catching the light with every moment. Despite their high 100mm heel, I found the Saeda pumps surprisingly comfortable. The design offers good arch support, which is a big plus for those who may be on their feet for extended periods. I recommend going for your usual size as they fit true to size. The soft leather also ensures a snug yet gentle fit. As expected from Jimmy Choo, the craftsmanship is impeccable. The materials used are high quality, ensuring these pumps not only look stunning but also stand the test of time. They feel luxurious and well made, making them worth the investment. These pumps are incredibly versatile, whether you're dressing up for a wedding, heading to a formal event, or simply want to add a touch of glam to your everyday look. The Jimmy Choo Saeda pumps fit the bill perfectly. Pair them with a sleek dress, tailored trousers, or even a chic jumpsuit for an instant style upgrade. So guys, now let me show you 5 different stylings with clothes from my collection. It's going to be different from what I have mentioned now, but I'm sure that you're gonna like them. Overall, the Jimmy Choo Saeda 100 crystal strap mirrored leather pumps in blue are a fabulous addition to any wardrobe. They combine style, comfort, and versatility in a way that few heels can. If you are looking to make a statement while staying chic and comfortable, I highly recommend these pumps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on these beauties. What do you think about these pumps? Have you tried any Jimmy Choo heels? Share your experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay stylish.
So guys, that was all for today. I hope that you were enjoying this blue episode and I hope that you like the pair of shoes that I got for myself for Valentine's Day. Yeah, since there is nobody, I'm buying myself gifts. Okay, that's not true. Anyway, and I hope that you like the styling that I presented today. Let me know if you like my shoes and which of my looks were your favorite. I'm curious to find out. In the meantime, please continue watching my videos. Please hit that bell button so you always get a notification when I post something new. Please don't skip the ads, that's an important point. And just subscribe to my channel. Give me big thumbs ups for today's video. Support my channel, and I promise I'm going to create more interesting content for you. You can also check the content on my Instagram channels, Elena Constantine, which is more for traveling and fashion, I would say, and my Killer Heels, where you can see all of my shoes. And probably I'm going to post a few more pictures, so some different kind of content there with the shoes from today. And guys, I'm also happy that it's end of February. It was really nice to enjoy this month of love, but spring is around the corner, so March is always a better option, and I can say that I'm really spring summer person, and I think that I will get more inspiration, more interesting outfits and things for you when the weather is better and when my mood is up. So I think that I will be more productive in the next months. So thank you again for watching me. Thank you again for your comments. Thank you again for your activity that stimulates me and really makes me motivates me to make more interesting videos for you. And so far I was doing that on a weekly basis, but maybe starting from the next week I can be more productive and do this more often. We are going to see. I just want to wish you a nice week ahead, and just to wish you to enjoy my videos, my content, and that's all really for today, guys. I love you, I appreciate you, and I am happy to see you again probably next week. So bye guys, I love you, bye.